Bryan Adams started a vegan diet in 1989, and through his experiences, he is actively raising awareness for animal protection and the environment. Bryan Adams practices vegetarianism with an ethical belief that goes beyond a mere diet. He strongly opposes animal cruelty and is especially angered by the treatment of animals confined in cramped spaces, such as in factory farming, zoos, circuses, and rodeos. "If you love animals, don't eat them," is his simplest and most core message regarding vegetarianism and animal rights. To him, the most shocking area of animal exploitation is the supermarket. He pointed out that it is too easy for people to pick up a piece of meat without knowing at all that it was once a living animal. He made his stance against the slaughter of all living beings very clear by saying, "I am strongly opposed to fur and all forms of animal exploitation. I object to the slaughter of any living creature, whether it be a seal, a cow, a dog, or any other animal." His experience of raising dogs since childhood and considering them a part of the family is said to have nurtured his compassion toward animals. He revealed that the moment he realized the truth about animal cruelty, he stepped onto the path of becoming a complete vegan. He considers the freedom to choose as the greatest gift and says he wishes he had been able to choose whether to eat it or not when he was a child. Through a vegetarian diet, Bryan Adams has achieved personal health benefits and exerted a positive influence on those around him. He mentions that having been a vegan for over 20 years, he looks young for his age and is slim and healthy. He noted that he rarely gets sick and is full of energy. While looking into various diets because of his busy schedule, articles about plant-based diets made the most sense to him. In particular, he noted the fact that our bodies are made up of a lot of water, and plant water is the best for rebuilding cells and flushing out toxins. After becoming a vegan himself first, he influenced his mother, his brother, and even his band members to convert to vegetarianism. He says he did not put pressure on them, but a few years later they all became vegetarians on their own. Bryan Adams emphasizes that environment and animal protection must be considered together. He realized that it makes no sense to support animal protection organizations while continuing to eat animals and fish. He said that after realizing all the food he ate while growing up was harming not only himself but also the planet, he stopped consuming animal products because he did not want to be a part of that cycle. He highlights the environmental benefits of a vegan diet, mentioning that it has much lower environmental impact than cow's milk in terms of emissions, land, and water use. He participated in PETA's anti-fur campaign, raising his voice against fur and all other forms of animal exploitation. He also participated in a campaign where he wrote a letter to the CEO of KFC in the past, urging a change in their cruel farming practices. These statements and actions by Bryan Adams demonstrate that vegetarianism goes beyond simply a personal choice, expanding into a broader realm of respect for life, ethical responsibility, and environmental preservation.